What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best gaming PCs in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First up, I have the Alienware Aurora R16. The Alienware Aurora R16 stands out as a gaming PC powerhouse with components like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card and Intel Core i7 processor, its airflow-efficient design, and cable management optimization. And if you're wanting a powerful and great quality gaming PC, the Aurora R16 might just be the best fit for you. It's equipped with the powerful Intel Core i7 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, which makes the Aurora R16 a gaming beast that delivers seamless and lag-free gaming. The Aurora R16's design prioritizes airflow efficiency and improved acoustics by having larger passageways and optimized internal cable management. It helps to result in 20% quieter operation and 7% lower temperature compared to the older R15 model. Its 240mm heat exchanger heightens thermal resistance and ensures that temperatures stay consistently low during long gaming sessions. The side hexagonal array, top surface exhaust, and the front stadium intake all provide significantly larger pathways for ambient air to enter and for heat to be exhausted. The Alienware Aurora R16 really stands out with its powerful Intel processor, the NVIDIA graphics card, its efficient and cooling design, and the 240mm heat exchanger. If you're someone who wants a powerful gaming PC that can handle AAA games with ease, the Aurora R16 might just be the best choice for you. Next, I have the Orion Chronos V3. Looking at the Orion Chronos V3, it really impresses as a gaming PC with its compact form factor, vertical airflow design, and powerful NVIDIA graphics cards. For those looking for a well-rounded gaming PC that can handle all intense graphics and games, the Chronos V3 might just be the right choice for you. With Intel Core processors and full-size graphic cards like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, the Chronos V3 ensures that its compact build doesn't compromise on performance. The Chronos V3 provides a fluid and immersive gaming experience, which effortlessly handles the most demanding titles with grace. With vertical airflow, high-performance cooling, and a visually pleasing design, the Chronos V3 blends heating and cooling with a minimalist, compact design. And with multiple vents located throughout the system, with up to 6 fans and a support for 360mm all-in-one CPU, the Chronos V3 can stay cool despite all the powerful components it can hold. The Orion Chronos V3 features a fantastic, compact, yet spacious design, a high-performance cooling system both inside the case and on the outside of the case, and a powerful NVIDIA graphics card. So if you're someone who wants a gaming PC that is compact but still can handle powerful components, the Chronos V3 might be the right fit for you. Next up is the ASUS ROG G22CH, and that's my choice for the best gaming PC for the money. The ASUS ROG G22CH stands out as a formidable gaming PC with its powerful NVIDIA graphics card, RGB lighting customization, and impressive cooling system. And for those who are looking for a gaming PC that has a blend of great quality performance and affordability, the G22CH might just be the best PC for you. The aesthetics of the G22CH are nothing short of a gaming masterpiece. Housed in a sleek and stylish black finished chassis with customizable RGB lighting, the G22CH creates an atmosphere that immerses you in the gaming ambiance. Fueled by the Intel Core i9 processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics cards, the G22CH gaming rig ensures a seamless and responsive gaming experience, effortlessly tackling every kind of game. With ASUS's commitment to cutting-edge technology, the G22CH keeps you ahead of the gaming curve, ready to conquer new virtual horizons. The G22CH also has 2 different types of cooling methods to choose from. First, you can have the more traditional air-cooled solution with fans, or you can choose to have a custom liquid cooler for the CPU. It's a personal preference, but you can keep the processor cool with ease without any excessive fan noise. The ASUS ROG G22CH offers great technology for its affordable price tag, like the two types of cooling systems to choose from, the compact design along with the customizable RGB lighting, and the powerful processor and graphics card. So, if you're someone who is looking for a great quality gaming PC that doesn't sacrifice features for affordability, the G22CH might just be the best option for you. Next, I have the Acer Predator Orion 7000, and that's my choice for the best overall gaming PC. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 stands out as a fantastic gaming PC with its obsidian-hued chassis, ARGB lighting inside the case, a powerful cooling system with Frostblade 2.0 fans, and a powerful Intel processor, along with NVIDIA graphics card. For those who are looking for a high-end gaming PC that can handle all your graphics-intensive games with ease, the Orion 7000 might just be the right option for you. With Intel processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics cards, the Orion 7000 ensures an immersive and responsive gaming journey. Acer's commitment to innovation guarantees you stay at the forefront of gaming technology, ready to dominate the virtual battleground. Encased in darkened glass, plastic, metal, and mesh, the Orion 7000 obsidian-hued chassis is beautifully shown through the ARGB lighting for all to see. With a toolless design, changing out parts and upgrading in the future is incredibly user-friendly, and that ensures that you never have to worry about being behind the evolving graphics of games. With the ARGH-infused Predator Frostblade 2.0 fans, the Orion 7000 ensures that the frames are kept high and the temperature is kept at a nice, cool low. And each fan utilizes a static pressure design that optimizes airflow while reducing vibration and noise through the new arc-shaped design along the ends of the fins. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 combines an obsidian-hued chassis that is both stylish and showcases the ARGB lighting, powerful Intel processor with an NVIDIA 4090 graphics card, and Frostbite 2.0 fans to ensure that the unit stays cool. For those who are looking for a gaming PC that is powerful and has an impressive cooling system, the Orion 7000 might just be the right pick for you. Next up, I have the Corsair Vengeance i7500, and that's my choice for the best gaming PC for most people. The Corsair Vengeance i7500 stands out as a reasonably priced gaming PC with its 240mm CPU cooler, customizable RGB lighting, Intel processor, NVIDIA graphics card, and a modern stylish design. So for those who are looking for high-end quality in their gaming PC without the high-end price tag, the Vengeance i7500 might just be the best choice for you. Armed with Intel Core i5 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, this gaming rig ensures a responsive and powerful gaming experience. Corsair's commitment to innovation guarantees you stay ahead in the gaming arena, ready to conquer new virtual horizons. The Vengeance i7500 is housed in a modern chassis with transparent glass side panels. Customizable RGB lighting immerses your gaming setup in a captivating glow. And this really ensures that your gaming atmosphere always keeps you in the zone with its mood lighting. With a high airflow front panel and the sealed all-in-one 240mm CPU cooler, the Vengeance i7500 ensures that your system never struggles with being too hot, and that's even during intensive gaming sessions. The Corsair Vengeance i7500 really stood out to me as a fantastic gaming PC with its modern design and customizable RGB lighting, the airflow design with a 240mm CPU cooler, and responsive gaming experience thanks to the Intel processor and NVIDIA graphics card. If you're someone who is looking for a reliable gaming PC that is reasonably priced while having a high-end performance, the Vengeance i7500 might just be the right fit for you.